Okay, here we are, all completed. Everything is done. Final wash. Silicone, the whole shebang. You got silicone where the floor meets the walls, around the curb, the whole thing there. It's a little bit dusty in here in the shower. You know, working on a construction type of job site, so that's what that is. But it got that nice floral green in there. Everything is siliconed in. You got this, it's no screws in this drain. Pretty nice feature there. This gives you a key to kind of pull it up. So that's that. Everything is completely done. Siliconed in, grouted. Good to go on to the next project. So anytime the tile meets the area that needs to be painted, I use the color matching acrylic caulk, and everywhere else, especially in wet areas, I use 100% silicone. You won't ever have any type of cracking. It allows everything to move independently and not have a problem in the future. So that's this bathroom. So all completed here. Once again, did not set this floor. I did the shower, the walls, and this transition. Custom made ramp there. This bathroom's completely done as well. Client already covered the floor. Custom made transition I did there. Everything in here is grouted, final wash, caulk, silicones. Pretty much all white here, all bright white. Laddercrete Permacolor Select, lattice sill, and color matching caulk. So this shower is ready for the plumber. Ready to go. That's that. I'll show you downstairs. And here is the entryway. 12 by 24 porcelain. Everything is grouted in. This color is Raven. And it's not really even completely dry yet because it needs to be a lighter gray. This floor is ice cold down here, ready for the exterior of the house. Anywhere that meets the doors there, I left a nice expansion joint. And then use lattice sill, which is 100% silicone. Silicone that in. So this area is done.